Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Wix and wondering how to make your page just the right size, maybe to fit that extra bit of info, create more space for images, or simply improve how things look to your visitors, you're in the right spot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your Wix page size in the best way possible, making your website work perfectly for your needs. Let's jump straight in. So first off, you might have noticed that if you hover over the edges of your page in the Wix editor, you can actually click and drag the sections to make your page look bigger or smaller. This seems super convenient at first, right? Just grab that little handle and pull the section down to stretch the page, almost like resizing a window on your computer. If you only need a tiny tweak for the layout, this method can totally work in a pinch. But I want to pause here and explain that while it's simple, dragging sections isn't really the ideal or most reliable way to change your page size. The truth is, this method can sometimes mess with the structure of your website. Elements could get stretched, some blank spaces might appear, and your page might not look quite as neat, especially on different devices. It's a bit like pulling on a bed sheet to cover a larger mattress. It may seem fine at first, but you'll probably end up with some awkward gaps. The real recommended way to adjust your page size in Wix is by adding new sections. This isn't just about making more room, it's about building in a way that keeps your site clean, organized, and super easy to edit later on. So instead of stretching what you already have, you're stacking more blocks, giving yourself more dedicated space to place your content and elements just the way you want. To do this, simply click the Add button on the left sidebar in the Wix editor, then select Section to Page. You'll see lots of section templates. Think of these like pre-built containers for text, photos, or whatever content you want to add next. Pick one that suits your needs, or just go with a blank section if you want a fresh canvas. When you add it in, the page grows naturally to fit your new sections. Not only does this approach keep everything tidy and under control, but it also makes things a lot easier if you ever need to rearrange, remove, or update parts of your page in the future. Imagine you're stacking different rooms on top of each other in a house. You'll always know exactly where everything is, and it's simple to move things around if you change your mind later. So that's really all there is to it. You can experiment by adding as many sections as you want. Maybe you want a big image gallery, a testimonials block, or just some extra breathing room between your content. And if you ever feel stuck or something looks off, don't worry. Wix makes it super easy to undo changes or adjust section heights individually. Just take your time and don't be afraid to test things out. That's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope this helped clear up the best way to change your page size in Wix. If you found this useful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping out with any specific problems you run into. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.